Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you've never been to my channel before, hello, my name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Reversible. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, which I haven't created yet, but I'm sure it's just oh so clever. But today's video is going to be my spring FabFitFun unboxing. Yeah, right? Yeah. I don't know why my box is so dirty. I just got it in the mail. I don't know what the mailman did to it. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, it's kind of like last week's video. If I put that up last week, I'm pretty sure they're going back-to-back weeks. Like BoxyCharm, whereas BoxyCharm is makeup, FabFitFun is more lifestyle, makeup, fitness, all of it at once. It is $50 or $40, can't remember. I will put it on the screen here and I will link it. Every season. So this is the spring box, so it's only 4 times a year, and this is my second FabFitFun box I'll ever have. Ignore my voice, I don't know what is happening here. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into my second FabFitFun unboxing ever. I'm really excited to see what is in store because I've only done this once, so I don't know if the one good box was a fluke or if they're all good. I have no idea. So let's get into this. If you like these types of videos, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put out new videos every week, and once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on whatever's hot, and you'll have to be subscribed to be entered, so go ahead and do that. Let's help me get there, especially since, you know, YouTube changed the whole thing, and right now no one can find my videos since I don't have enough subscribers. So that's cute. Been doing this a year and getting just shafted by YouTube. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this, huh? Yeah, let's do that. If you would like to see what I got in the spring FabFitFun box, just keep on watching. Okay, let's get into this big old box. Okay, so the first thing I see right on top is a coupon for $50 off of HelloFresh. It's $25 off your first 2 boxes. I've heard of this. It's like you order food and they send it to your house. I don't know if it's already made or if you have to make it. Maybe it just makes it easy. Like, so you have all the ingredients. I don't really know. I have been interested in stuff like this before, but I meal prep my own food. I am a meal prepper every week, so this isn't really good for me, but if you need it, if you wanted it, and something you wanted to try, this would be a cool thing to get, because I mean, $50 is $50. All right, and then next is the magazine. We did have this in the last season's box as well. It's just a little magazine here. FabFitFun, so cute, and it like goes through all the items that you've got inside your box, and it lets you know how to use them, how much they cost, gives you all kinds of info, which I think is a cute touch that they include this in the box. So that's something. Now let's get into like the nitty-gritty, you know, what you're here for, you know, all the good goodies inside this nice paper here. This box looks quite full. There's a lot going on in here. What is that? Why do I look so bald? Sorry, my hair's driving me nuts. Somebody told me I should wear my hair down in more videos, and I don't do it because it's just ridiculous and I hate my hair. So, not fishing for compliments. I just don't like it. Okay, let's get into this. Okay. The first item I see right on top here is this bad boy right here. I'm gonna have to open up that magazine so I can let you know how prices and stuff. So let's get into this. This is gonna be a video. Okay, so this is the Ish Lip Statement Palette, and by looking at the magazine, it looks like it's a lipstick palette, which I've never actually owned before. I don't know if this is a product that's catered to me, just simply because like I am a lipstick bitch, and I carry like 3 or 4 tubes at a time, and I'm like the person who takes it off and reapplies it, and takes it off and reapplies it throughout the day. So I don't know if it's really practical for me to have like a lipstick palette in my purse, you know what I'm saying? But let's just look at the colors anyway. Oh, and just so you know, this retails for $42, which is no chump change. Oh, it's got a big old mirror. I don't know if it's, oh, and it's a good one. It's a good big mirror. I like that. And then these are the shades. Let me get this little brush out of there. These are the lipstick shades right here. I'm trying not to blind you. The shades are pretty. This one in particular right here is like, oh, so nice. So very nice. I'll have to try them. I'm not going to touch it yet because I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it or give it to somebody else, and I don't want to like stick my grubby little fingers in it if I do decide to gift it, since like I said, lipstick palettes don't seem practical to me for my specific lipstick needs. but if I do use it, I will put down below how it was. Also, for all the products, I'm gonna list if they're cruelty-free in the description box, because I did not look beforehand. So I will go ahead and put that all in the description box if you're curious. And let's just go ahead and move on to the next product. Yeah. Okay. The next thing I see is this little box right here. What is this? So this is from the brand Dermalect. Okay, it's a nail polish situation. Let's see. Okay, so this is like a nail polish fixer. What? That's a weird way for me to put this. It says that it's a concealing ridge filler. It's got a light pink tint, and it helps with ridges, yellowing, discoloration, acrylic nail damage, dehydration, weak, brittle, and spotted nails. So it's something that's supposed to help your nails. And honestly, I can use that so much right now. You won't be able to see it on camera, but like my top layer of my nails is just flaking off. That's why I don't have any nail polish on right now. Because as you see, I have quite a few polishes, and they're typically always painted, but they've been like in bad shape. So I'm really interested in trying this, and it's got the little bunny on the side, so I know I can use it immediately. So I'm probably gonna finish filming this and then put this on and watch TV. And that is exciting. And this retails for $18. So that's a pretty pricey polish, if I do say so myself. So I hope I don't really like it, because I don't want to have to rebuy it. Okay, the next thing I see is this little thing right here, which, okay, so when I first saw this just now, I was like, I can't tell if those are really cute or really ugly. So I guess we'll find out right now. They are 18 karat gold plated earrings, and these retail for $58. Why? They look like little carpet tassels. Why are they so expensive? I don't understand jewelry at all. I really don't. But let's try them on, since they're so pricey and since they're mine now. You see these? They're like, I don't know. I find this to be so strange, but let's try them on. Okay, so these are the earrings. So I'm gonna need some comments down below. I need to understand, is this cute? Is this fashion? I'm trying to get more into fashion this year, and I don't know, is this cute? I have no idea. So please comment down below and let me know if this is something. Would you wear these? I don't know. Okay, the next thing I see is this big old thing right here, and I know from the box, what? I know from the magazine down there that this is a reversible clutch. So let's see what it looks like, because there's 3 different designs you can get. So let's see what it is. This is from Rachel Pally. Don't know who she is, but what up? Hey Rachel, thanks for the bag. Thanks for including it in FabFitFun. Girl power, you rule. Ooh, what is this? This looks like it's going to be pretty. Okay, so this is the clutch. Look at that. That's the pattern. You can fold it like this and carry it like this. You can fold it like this and carry it like this. And it's like pretty good size clutch. You can hold so many items in here, and there's little pockets on there's a pocket on the inside. That's so cool. But this little clutch here is reversible, as I just showed you, and it retails for $60. So if, you know, that's makes me feel like a classy lady. This feels like a classy lady bag with my hoodie and my dangly couch earrings. Okay, let's move on. I'm knocking my stuff over, but the next thing I see is this guy right here. I just broke my picture frame. Okay, so this here retails for $40. It is from Free People and Understated Leather, and it is a vegan leather sleeping eye mask. Oh. Okay, and it has a non-toxic cooling insert inside of it, so that you can like put those in the fridge and then put this on your eyes and then take yourself a nap. Oh my goodness. 0.2 seconds. What is my hair? What is life? What is happening? Are you It's adjustable. Of course it is. So this is the little sleeping eye mask. That is super cute. It retails for $40, which I would never personally spend on like a sleeping eye mask, especially because I don't know if I'd ever wear a sleeping eye mask. But how cute is it? And The whole box was $50, so getting this in there, I'm pretty stoked, I must say. And the fact that it's vegan leads me to believe that this brand is cruelty-free, so that's good too, guys. Guys, look at this. Do I look crazy? I feel crazy. Let's move on. Let's move on. Next thing I see is this giant thing, which... this box is so weird. Well, my entire picture frame is broken. So that's fun. My little bee is gonna have to, you know, hang all by itself here. Let's move on to this thing here. So this is from the brand Physique 57, and it is a massage roller that you roll all over yourself when you're feeling pain. And as some of you may know, if you have watched any of my, you know, fitness related videos, and if not, and you're new, welcome. Hi, my name's Brittany. This is a weird video. I work out constantly. I'm probably slamming this mic and ruining every sound, so I hope that you guys heard me through all that. But I lift weights every day of my life, and I lift heavy weights, and I'm in constant pain 24/7. But you know, it's been worth it with the weight that I've lost. But this could come in handy. It just looks so funny. I don't know, but I will try it out. I'll put something down below and let you know if it's worked, because I do need to start doing something like this because I am in constant tight pain. But this retails for $20, which is it's a pretty cool deal, man. It's a pretty cool deal to get something that I might actually use. I don't know what else to say. I just feel like this is so strange. Okay, guys, we're getting down. We got a couple more, but we're getting down to the bottom. Okay, this is from the brand Course, and this is a guava and some other fruits that I cannot... You know what? I think that's just guava in different languages. It's a body butter, and it retails for $24. Oh, I can kind of smell it. It kind of smells good. So this is an expensive lotion, which I would not personally go out and buy myself. I'm just such a cheapskate. But the lotion that we got last time, which I have over there in that direction, I loved. Absolutely. It was amazing. I use it all the time. I tell everybody about it. I will repurchase it probably, unless this like replaces it, you know, but I would have repurchased it because it's that good. So I am confident in the lotions that they would put in the box is the point. And I'm excited to try this, assuming it's cruelty free. I actually don't know if Course is. I'm gonna have to check, and if not, you know, gifting. But it's a pretty good thing to get in the box if you don't care, because I mean, it's been cold and our skins are all very dry because of the winter. Duh. It's like they knew what I was talking about, because here's another skin product. I mean, it is spring and we're gonna start showing off some skin, at least some of us who are skin showers, right? And so more things to fix said skin that got ruined by the winter, right? Right? So this is from Murad. This is a skin perfecting lotion, and it is $40. This I know is cruelty free. I'm excited to try it. My husband's mom loves Murad. I don't know, she's like really into the skincare brand. So I mean, she's got bougie taste, and so I will try it and see if it helps me out. Lately I've been using Drunk Elephant. That's been my brand, and that is like my shit. But I will try this and see how I like it, and I'm happy to get it in the box and throw it over there. All right, there is a little sample in here, which I don't know what this is for. This is Dove, and it's an exfoliating body polish. It doesn't look like anything. There's no price listed. It's just a little extra. It looks like maybe this box is sponsored by Dove. So this is cool. I mean, I never exfoliate my skin, if I'm real with you. I know I should. But I don't. But I'll keep this in my shower on the off chance that one day I do. So thanks. Okay, and the last. This is not the spot for this right now. This box is just, don't look at that alarm clock. It's not there. Just look at, okay, the last item in this box is this guy here. And now we're into the home care section, because this is a candle. This is a candle from Anderson Lily, which I've never heard of. And it retails for $45, which is unheard of. You get what I did there? So this says that it is bergamot, musk, white jasmine, Brazilian softwood, citrus, and heliotrope. I'm a Bath and Body Works candle kind of bitch, so all these scents are kind of bougie sounding to me, but let's go ahead and smell it. The little component, oh, it's strong. The component is so cute. Look at this little component. It's just like a little, it reminds me of a Moscow Mule cup, you know, the beer, and then you drink it, and it comes in little cups like this, at all the like hipster bars. You know what I'm talking about. Here, let's put this here to fill this little spot. Look how cute. It smells pretty good. It smells kind of like a dude. I am not opposed to the smell of a man in my bedroom. Okay, so that is everything in this box, guys. Now we're just down to the paper, which I'm going to very much regret pouring on the floor like that. I can say that much for certain. So the overall retail value of this season's box here is about $350 if I did my math right. I'll list the prices and stuff down below so you can check me on that, because you know, you never know with the math and the brains, but I believe it's about $350, and you spend $40 or $50 a month. I think it's 40. So that's a pretty good deal, especially like with most of these items, they're more than the price of the box, which I feel like all subscription services are like that. But I'm really, really happy with what we got in this season's box. It's a great second box. It gives me a good idea of what's to come in future boxes, and I don't think I'll be disappointed because I've liked most of the items in this box. I liked most of the items in the winter box. I'm going to continue getting FabFitFun. It's worth my money. I mean, it's up to you if it's worth yours, but I think it's worth my dollars, so I'm going to keep doing it. And if you are interested in it, I will link it down below. I'm pretty sure they give me some sort of link. I don't know actually if they did. I don't think I have a link. I don't know how you get a link. I do know a couple people who do have a link that I enjoy watching their videos, so I'll link them down below so you can kind of pick and choose who you would like to support, because I think they get something for it. Not sure, but I'll link it down below in case you want to sign up. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and if you like this look that I'm ending off the video with, make sure to let me know. Obviously, say hi. Hi. Please make sure to subscribe before you leave, because once I hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway, and I would love to have you as my brat. I can't even say that seriously, but somebody suggested that I call you guys my Brit Brats, so let's just, if you want to hang out with me, go ahead and subscribe and we can hang out, and that'd be dope. And then I would know that you like the content, and then maybe YouTube will recognize that I exist. Even though I've been doing this for a year, you'd think they'd already know, but no, they kind of boned me a bit on that, so help a sister out. Like, comment, subscribe. And I think that's all I have to say for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Did you like what you just saw? If you did, you should go ahead and click on one of these videos over here. These are links to videos I put up in the past. And you click on my face right over here. It'll take you to where you can subscribe to my channel so we can hang out all the time. Got a lot of hand movement. Got a lot going on right now. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.